Hello students, welcome to the sixth part of the chapter Weather, Climate and Adaptation. Let's start today's session. Children, in the previous class we have studied about the animals which survive in polar regions. Now we will study how the animals survive in the or what are the animals which survive in the tropical rainforest regions. Now let's just begin with the places where this tropical rainforest places are there in the world. The geographical location, first of all, the tropical rainforests are located around the equator, means the belt around the equator, that is the tropical rainforest region, and they are found in Western Ghats and Assam in India, Southern Asia, Central America and Central Africa. These are the places where we can see the tropical rainforest area. As you can see in the map, that the green darkest portions which are marked over here, these are the places which are having the tropical rainforest area. Now let us see what are the climatic conditions over that area. The tropical rainforests are hot and humid because the sun rays directly falls on that area. So therefore these places, the tropical rainforests, are very hot and humid. During hot summer, the temperature is usually above 40 degrees Celsius, and in winter it is never below 15 degrees Celsius. So you can imagine how hot and humid the temperature over there. Now moving on to the adaptations in tropical rainforest animals. Here we will see what are the animals which are found in tropical rainforest area and what are the typical habits which are found in the animals which survive in this tropical rainforest area. The major types of animals living in these forests are monkeys, elephants, tigers, lions, leopards, sheep, deer, goats, large variety of snakes, lizards, birds, amphibians and insects. Children, I hope you all know what are amphibians. Amphibians are those animals which can survive both in water and on land also. Now, because of a large number of living forms in tropical rainforests, the animal face tough competition for food and space. Therefore, they have adapted to various modes of existence. So, because the large number of animals are there, there is a tough fight for the survival. So, there is tough competition for food and space over there. Now, moving on to the next slide. The first habit which we found in the tropical rainforest animal is the arboreal habit. Many animals in tropical rainforests are adapted to live on trees. So animals which spend most of their lifetime on trees are called as arboreal animals. So large number of arboreal animals are found in this tropical rainforest region. Trees provide them food, shelter and protection from predators. So the tree is the suitable place for the arboreal animals. Why? Because they can find food also, shelter also, and they can protect themselves from their predator also over there on the trees. Now for example, we are taking the animals over here which are arboreal, having arboreal habit. The first one is the monkeys, having a long and coiled prehensile tail for grasping tree branches. So there are the spider monkey hanging with its long tail from the branches of the trees. So these long tails help them to hang themselves from the branches of one branch to the another branch. Their hands and feet are also modified to hold on to the branches. That is, they have grasping feet with opposable thumb. So these monkeys, they have the opposable thumb as well as the prehensile tail for the better adaptation in the tropical rainforest region. Now the second kind of the animal which are found in tropical rainforest region is the red-eyed frog. As you can see in the picture, that is the red-eyed frog over here. Now this red-eyed frog and other tree frogs have sticky pads on the tips of the digits. Now what are digits? Digits means the fingers or the toes, and these help them to cling and climb on the trees. So their fingers are basically very sticky, which help them to stick and climb on the different parts of the trees. Now birds are adapted to roost on trees. So the birds which are there in the tropical rainforest region are adapted to roost on trees, means they can sit, perch or rest on the trees. What is the meaning of roosting? When birds settle down to sleep or sit over there on the branches of the trees, that is called as roosting. Now the next animal over here is the snakes and the lizards. Snakes and lizard can also move on the tree twigs. So these are the animals which are having the arboreal habit in the tropical rainforest region. Now let us see what are the other habits of the animals over there in the tropical rainforest region. The feeding habits. Now forest animals have developed several methods for obtaining food. Now let us see what are these the habits. A bird token, as you can see in the picture over here, this is a bird called token over there. Now this bird possesses a long and large beak. As you can see in the picture, the beak of the bird is very long and large. Now this beak is very helpful for this bird to reach the fruits from branches on which it cannot sit. And most forest dwellers are herbivores because of plenty of vegetation. As you know that this region is full of plants and trees over there. So whatever the animals which are found over there, they are generally, more of them are generally herbivores. The next category is the camouflaging. That is, this is one of the specific feature which is found in the animals of tropical rainforest region. The forest animals have thick skin. Their skin color camouflages and blends with the surrounding. So whatever the skin they have, that blends very easily with the surrounding of that animal. This enables the predator to locate the prey without being located. So it is very easy for the animal to escape from its predator. It also protects the prey from the predator because the prey cannot be spotted out easily from the surroundings. The next specific feature is the sense organs. Animals living in tropical rainforests depend on their senses and agility. That is, they can move they have the ability to move very quickly and easily. And they have very sharp eyesight and are sensitive to hearing. Their eyesights are very sharp and their hearing power is very, very strong. So with this we come to the end of today's session. In the next part we will try to understand the tropical rainforest adaptations of many more animals. Thank you.